wonder how that looks. Good morning, friends. Oh, I didn't tell you guys. I got tickets to go see Beyonce for Frizzy. Do you want to get hit or okay? Because I was coming out and you were just still there. Yeah. So anyway, so I have tickets to go see Beyonce tonight. I'm gonna go take my cousin Lily L, as I like to call her, and we're gonna go. It's gonna be fun. That is my boo, and so we're gonna have a good time. Turn up, and I don't know if the camera's on me. I don't know. So sorry if the camera's not on me. My mount stopped working in the traditional sense of how I had it, so I kind of had to, I don't want to say a certain terminology, but my POCs, you know, got a riggy. So I had to like fix it a different way so that it would work, because I'm not buying another mount. I don't care. Everybody says it was only $5. It was my $5. I'm not paying another $5. I have responsibilities. I'm singing in the rain. My brother won't turn to my backpack. Played myself. Anyway, just at the train station now. I take the train over to the city now, y'all. I'm tired of driving over that. So I usually take the train some days, and this is one of those days. I'm late. I thought you know, you ever thought you were early and then you realize like, wait, nah, I'm actually late. Not late, but yeah, I should have got out the house earlier. I was taking my good old time getting out the house. I'm thinking I need to be there at 11:30. I need to meet her at 11:30. So I mean, I'll get there on time because it's not far, but she might have to wait a little bit. Whoa, I'm gonna put the camera down now because it's cold. Is that my train? Oh, good. I think I'm the next one, and I need to get on a train in peace. Hopefully I don't see nothing crazy. Hopefully I do, and then I can show you guys. I can't wink. Yeah, I quit. Just walking. I just want to show you guys my walk to work. It's literally like some of the most historic things in the country. So over here, let me zoom on in for you. So they have the Liberty Bell, and I forget what this little walk is called. This little Independence walk, and actually, if you go inside of there, there's a piece of the Underground Railroad that they dug it out. They just preserved it. This is Independence Visitor Center right here. I don't know if you can see that. When it's nice weather, people like on the lawn and stuff. It's like a lot of kids out here during summertime, but now school started back up, so not that many people out here. Yeah, so I take a pretty historic walk, but the actual Liberty Bell really isn't there. And then on the other side, you can't really see it that well. It's not going to show you. It's like the Ben Franklin house over there too. And then what else is up here? Oh, my favorite museum. Okay, so let's turn the camera around. You can't. It's so rainy out today, but this is the National Museum of Jewish American History, and I went in this museum. It is popping, seriously. It's popping there. So me and Belinda went last time she was here, and it was so much fun. Like, their exhibit is so cool. It's like 5 floors. So you were in the city and looking for a good historical museum, that's one. Anthony. Oh, hey. I'm good. Oh, sorry.
Poke me in the eye.
I'm sorry. You want to be in my vlog? Say hi to our vlog.
Hey,
Anthony, you look so snazzy.
Why, thank you.
I love your sneakers.
And they're authentic, by the way. These are my painting sneakers. I figured, you know.
Wear what you.
Yeah, a little dap and a little.
Oh wait,
sap.
so this design is on accident, but with a purpose. On accident with a purpose.
Almost. So like when I'm painting and there's nowhere to test my caps out at, I'll just use my sneakers. So it's official that way. I like it. And I love them. They're like battle scars, kind of. So.
They're popping. So cool. I got to meet Anthony. I thought I wasn't gonna meet him at all. like, oh my God, because I wasn't coming to the show. He was coming to the show. He's actually, Anthony is a muralist who did the mural that's in the opening of the Q show. So, which is like, you see it, like it's like he's literally Q's like literally right in front of it. So I was like, dang, I want to meet him. He's such a cool guy. I had talked to him on the phone, but I was like, I'm not gonna be here now. It's Bree Key over here. I don't know what this girl is doing. Hey, 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 you look cute. You look really, really cute. I look homeless. And I look homeless. Okay. You look fine. I look homeless.
You don't.
I look
I really hate
homeless. When Snapchat is life. When Snapchat is real life.
Look good.
Did it come out cute? Oh, it's cute.
It's not that cute.
But if it was pink, it would have been better.
I tried to get the pink one and they only had pink without sprinkles or
All
white
pink.
with sprinkles. So I figured I'm going to
I
get
thought they had an
pink.
all pink one.
They did, but that one was lame because it was like naked.
No, it wouldn't be fee if I wasn't running late to something. So I'm actually like running inside the house, hurrying up, trying to get ready for this concert. I don't know what I'm about to do with my hair. I don't know what I'm about to do with my makeup. Think I know what I'm gonna wear it. If it doesn't turn out right, it didn't turn out right, whatever. It's freezing, so I'm gonna go for my look. I call it black excellence, where it's like you just wear all black everything and gold accessories. Black excellence. So yeah, I'm on my way home. Hurry up and change. Lily's just got home and hurry up and changing. We're definitely late. It's like almost 6 o'clock. The concert starts at 7:30, and I mean, I don't want to miss DJ Khaled, but I don't know. If I miss him, is that major keys? Will I miss a major key if I miss him? But this is crazy. This is really crazy. Like I can't even conceptualize the fact that I'm about to stand out in the rain for this long. This feels like a conjuring. It's Lily. So we're like headed up here. Beyonce is apparently on stage now. We late because, you know, I'm late everywhere I go. Now I'm out of breath because this girl made me run to see Beyonce. You need to do it. You said you didn't want to see Beyonce. Okay, but okay, we're like at 1:32. Let's just put a little hustle. Don't run. Okay, no, let's not run. You can call Tyrone. You ain't got to lie, Craig. Even longer.
Free Wi-Fi.
Go to the Wi-Fi, stick and talk about timelines, show pictures of their friends, just to tell they ain't really friends.
But
He's
we
about
are
to be
really
here.
friends.
He's about to be here.
Who? Oh, Drake.
Drake on the 13th, I think. No, or is that Yeezy?
Let's go.
I don't know. How, Brie? How?
I'm just kidding.
I'm putting that somewhere. You know that it's gonna go somewhere, right? But YouTube's mad petty, and you can't use it will straight mute your whole video for 30 seconds. It will mute my whole video.
That's crazy.